Hello, this is Brandon Christy from Christy Capital Management with an educational economic update for February 2020. In this month's video, we'll discuss some recent headlines that influenced the financial markets in January. I will also provide some perspective on what these developments may mean in the months ahead. Please stay tuned at the end of this video for a required disclosure statement. Well, a virus affected stocks in January. The coronavirus weighed on equities worldwide. Traders wondered, would quarantines and travel bans hurt corporate earnings? Major indices were mixed. The Dow Industrials lost 1%, the S&P 500 lost 0.2%, the Nasdaq Composite, however, rose 2%. The U.S. and China signed off on a partial trade deal which could possibly lead to a larger one. We reduced some tariffs and in turn, China pledged to buy more American goods and police counterfeiting to a greater degree. By the way, China's economy grew 6.1% last year. 2019 was the worst year for its economy since 1990. Well, the United States-Canada-Mexico Agreement, the USMCA, was passed in Congress and signed by President Trump. If Canada approves it, it will go into effect and replace NAFTA, the North American Free Trade Agreement. Consumer confidence rose to a level unseen since August. Reports showed that consumer spending, retail sales, and existing home sales went up in December. Markets are fixated on the coronavirus. Anxiety over the outbreak has led to some profit-taking. In the short run, this may continue. In the long run, this episode may be remembered as a brick in a wall of worry that stocks may overcome. Remember that your own long-term investment strategy centers on your goals, your time horizon, your risk tolerance. Well, that's it for our educational economic update for this month. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about what we've discussed, please give our office a call at the number below. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. You can call us at 866-331-7749 and we'd be happy to discuss your personal financial situation. Well, this is Brandon Christy with Christy Capital Management and your February 2020 Educational Economic Update.
While we believe this information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or solicitation for the purpose or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision. Investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. No investment strategy can guarantee a profit or protect against loss in periods of declining markets. The indices mentioned are unmanaged and cannot be invested into directly. Past performance does not guarantee future results. The modern design of the S&P 500 stock index was first launched in 1957. Performance prior to 1957 incorporates the performance of the predecessor index, the S&P 90.